What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Crypto Chat here. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. I don't know what the hell that was. But anyway, today is going to be one of my more simpler videos. Just a market update. I haven't done this for a while, and I just want to go over the market and what I'm seeing. So today, we're at $156 billion. That's pretty much the high. We've hit maybe 157, I think. Let's go take a look. But, I mean, this is the highest it's ever been. And it's been at 150 for several days now. It was at 140 last week. And, you know, it's slowing down a little bit. So we'll see what happens. You know, I personally think it went up a little too fast. But yeah, the highest we ever got to was 156 and some change. And we're right back at 156 or 155 right now. So we're still keeping that. The growth is tapered off a little bit. But let's just take a look. So Bitcoin is almost at its all-time high of $4,500. Just a couple $200 shy of that. Will it break that? Not too sure. It might crash a little bit. I'm expecting some more activity around when Bitcoin forks again in September. We got to take a look at that. Ethereum also had a huge run up, looking very bullish, looking very nice. Ethereum coming out of the woodwork, and Ethereum's also going to have a fork coming up, and this whole plasma network and all this stuff is coming out. So I'm going to have to make a video about that as well. Bitcoin Cash, as we all know, had that huge run up to $1,000, but since tapered off. And just keep an eye on Bitcoin Cash. As of now, I do not see it being a direct threat with Bitcoin at all. That can change in an instant because this cryptocurrency market is so volatile, you just do not know. But what I do know is that you can make some money off of trading it. So when it goes down, you know, it's always going to get pumped up and dumped up. That's just how cryptocurrencies work. It's just where the money moves. Ripple's moved back up into the 20-cent range. I think it went as high as 27 cents, but since then has tapered off, lost the momentum. And Ripple's having some big movements. And I made that video the other day. Ripple's a really good long-term investment, very safe because it bridges the gap between the old system and the new system. So check that video out. Dash, woo! Dash is insane, you guys. What the hell is going on with Dash? I have no idea what's going on with Dash. But just a couple weeks ago, wasn't it at like $200 now? And it's at like almost $400 right now. What is going on? So if you got that Dash Masternode, good for you. Good for you. Litecoin also had a run up when Bitcoin got its SegWit upgrade, and it's staying above $50. So hopefully we see that trend continue, and maybe Litecoin will go up more as well. Also another long-term investment I agree with. IOTA had a huge run up from the 20-cent range from a couple weeks ago, and it's still staying up there. So IOTA has a lot more room to grow. How much that is debatable. I mean, it's 100,000 million. There's 2 billion coins on the market, so it's not going to be a price like Litecoin. It's not going to be a price like Dash. It's not going to be a price, you know, it could surpass Ripple if it gets that kind of market cap because it's got way less, but you never know. NEM still staying strong. I need to cover NEM. I haven't covered NEM at all, but one of the big things is Monero. My lord, Monero. I had Monero back in the day. It made me like $20 or $30, and I sold it around 50, thinking that was pretty good. But look at that graph, you guys. This is all that traffic from South Korea and whatnot. But look at that graph. That's just unbelievable growth. I never bought back into it when it was kind of consolidating here for the longest time. And I always considered Monero a very stable cryptocurrency because look how stable this graph is. And then whoop, 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 whoop. Insane growth there. So if you're holding Monero, I would still hold on to it. Maybe take some profits, but I'd still hold on to that shit. Neo's fallen off the map a little bit. Neo had that huge hype train going about it, and I would not sell my Neo, you guys. I will not sell it. Keep on holding on to it. It's got a lot more room to grow, and we'll just see where it's going to go. Ethereum Classic also had a big run up. Now it's kind of tapering off, lost its momentum. It's either going to go back up or it's going to go down. We just don't know. Quantum was at $12 for the longest time, but it had somewhat of a run up, 15% in the last 24 hours. So keep an eye on Quantum. I got to make, you know, Quantum was also listed as one of the best long-term investments in this article that came out the other day from one of the Bitcoin experts. So we'll have to see, take a look at that. Omai's Go was everybody's hype train for a while, and now it's staying at $8, which is telling me there's not a lot of selling going on. There's a possible partnership with Apple. It's all rumors and conjecture. We don't know yet. Take a look at that. BitConnect, you guys already know what I have to say about BitConnect. Stratus still staying steady, you guys. Keep an eye on Stratus. When coins stay steady for a long time, they usually get pumped out of nowhere. This happened with Monero. This happened with Ripple. This happened with every other coin I can ever really think of. So keep an eye on Stratus. And this is happening with Lisk right now. Lisk was staying at that $2 range, and now, we're at $5 already, and I can see Lisk going a lot more. And the market supply is 111 billion. So, million. So that's pretty good. That's decent. That's decent. It's not too high. It's not too low. Zcash, as we all know, had a huge run up, and WikiLeaks takes Zcash, so that's telling you something. Zcash is good for anonymity, you criminals out there. I'm watching you. Waves is another platform to build applications off of, like Ethereum, like Stratus. Not a smart contract thing, but you can build stuff off of it, like Stratus, for example. It's a platform blockchain, and it's going up steadily. So I'm holding my wave still. EOS, don't get into EOS right now, I suppose. Maybe just long term, definitely. But EOS, their ICO is going on for like months. They're releasing more coins into the market. It's only going to devalue it in the future. But long term, I see EOS being very, very good. 10x. Keep an eye on 10x. It's been staying at that $3 to $4 range for a while. We'll see what it moves up with. But the dude's super active on Facebook. The guy is just really pumping it out. We'll see when these cards finally come out. Steam. Not too sure about Steam. What Steam's doing. Steam's market cap is really falling off. But there's a lot of room for growth for Steam. And, Steam's very heated debate in the cryptocurrency community. Some people hate it. Some people love it. Some people put all their money into it. Jerry Banfield. So it's pretty hilarious. BitShares just taking the back burner after that huge run up back in May. Not a whole lot going on with BitShares. As we see also, by the way, Augur's coming up. And Augur's only got 11 million coins. So, Augur has some serious potential to be very pricey in the future. So keep an eye on Augur. MadeSafe is also going up steadily. I've been holding MadeSafe since like 20-something cents. We're almost at 60 cents. So keep it going. Keep it going. And Factom. Look, Factom's at $30, you guys. Factom's also on my long-term list. Factom is a good cryptocurrency. And it also has only 8 million Factoms out there. So potential for a larger market cap. Huge prices for Factom. So keep an eye. Keep an eye. Bytecoin, I got to cover Bytecoin. A lot of people love Bytecoin. Golem, staying steady. My nose is so plugged up, you guys. I'm sorry. Stellar Lumens, complete trash. I just hate on Stellar Lumens. I don't know if it's really trash. Binance is a new one. Ikonomi's still hanging in there. Gnosis still just, look at that graph. But Gnosis is just so volatile, and it just is, I don't like it. And Decred really has gone up. From the $20 range, almost to $40 again. So that's pretty nice. We're seeing a lot of gains in the cryptocurrency community, you guys. We're seeing a lot of gains in this cryptocurrency community. What I mean by that, look at the top 100. What's red right now? All these coins are red, but they're only red by 1%. And there's a lot of coins that are red, green in the 20% range. A lot of coins are going up today. Not sure what's going on. Monaco being another one of them that I did not cover yet. But I'm holding some Monaco. But that's just really it, you guys. We will see what happens. I personally think the market has gone up a little too fast. And it's maybe losing a little bit of momentum. And it might have a correction. Might have a bear market. I don't really see a bear market. I don't want to see a bear market. But it's possible. And it's happened every single other time after every single large increase in Bitcoin. So we're in the hype cycle right now. How long can this be sustained? How long are we going to stay at 156 billion? I don't know. But we will have to take a look and see. Stay tight, you guys. Good luck with your crypto trading. And like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. And I'm out. Peace.